justice flourish, and great peace forever.
In this age shall justice flourish, and great peace forever.
O God, give your judgment to the King, to a king's son, your justice, that he may judge your people in justice, and your poor in right judgment.
In this age shall justice flourish, and great peace forever.
In his day shall justice flourish, and great peace till the moon is no more. He shall rule from sea to sea, from the river to the bones of the earth.
In this age shall justice flourish, and great peace forever.
For he shall save the needy when they cry, the poor and those who are helpless. He will have pity on the weak and the needy, and saves the lives of the needy.
In this age shall justice flourish, and great peace forever.
May his name endure forever, his name continue like the sun. Every tribe shall be blessed in him, all nations shall call him blessed.
In this age